When I first started this journey, I thought the biggest obstacle was money. Turns out it wasn't money, it was mindset. Because the truth is, most people aren't broke because of circumstance. They're broke because of conditioning. We were raised to trade time for money. We were taught to play it safe, to stay grateful for what we have, even when what we have is slowly killing our potential. That mindset is what keeps people stuck. And until you break it, you'll keep replaying the same month, same stress, same paycheck over and over. I remember the day I realized I wasn't fighting against my job. I was fighting against my comfort zone. It's sneaky, right? It convinces you to stay still because things aren't that bad. But let's be honest, not that bad is not the same as good. There's no peace in mediocrity, only numbness. The moment you stop chasing comfort and start chasing growth, everything changes. Growth feels scary at first, but it's the only road that leads to freedom. Here's something wild I've learned from being around 6- and 7-figure mentors every single week in our community. They don't think like everyone else. When most people say, I can't afford it, they say, how can I afford it? When most people say, I don't have time, they say, how can I make time? It's not that they have more resources, it's that they use resourcefulness. That's the 7-figure mindset that we teach. They see solutions where others see excuses. They take responsibility where others assign blame. They move in faith before they see results. That's what separates the ones who talk from the ones who transform. A few years ago, I was selling a product that paid me $14 per sale. I was putting in hours, doing everything right, but it was like pouring water into a bucket full of holes. Then I found this model, one that pays $1,400 per sale in 100% profit. The first time I saw that number, I thought, that can't be real. But when I understood the structure, pre-built digital products, automated systems, mentorship, I realized it wasn't fantasy, it was just smart leverage. And here's the crazy part. The system didn't just change my income, it changed my identity. It made me start thinking like a builder, not a worker. That's when I finally became the person who could handle freedom. Let me say something that might sting a little. If you gave most people $10,000 tomorrow, they'd be broke again in 6 months. Because freedom without discipline is chaos. This is why I always tell people, before you change your income, change your mindset. The income will follow. So what is the freedom mindset? It's the belief that your time is sacred, that your potential is infinite, that money is a tool, not a master. And when you start acting from that place, your actions shift automatically. You stop chasing and you start building. Let's break down the 4 levels of freedom. Level 1, survival. This is where most people live. Paycheck to paycheck, energy drained, hope fading. Everything feels like a reaction. Level 2, awareness. You realize there's another way. You see others doing it. That spark of curiosity hits. If they can do it, why not me? Level 3, action. This is where most people hesitate. But if you push through fear and take the first step, you begin rewiring your brain for success. Level 4, alignment. You're not just making money, you're aligned with your purpose. You've got time, freedom, and peace. You're living on your own terms. That's where the 7-figure life begins. Not just financially, but mentally and spiritually. You've probably heard me talk about the 2-hour workday, but here's the deeper reason behind it. It's not just about working less, it's about working purely. For 2 hours a day, I focus with full energy, no distractions, no noise. That kind of focus rewires your brain because what you focus on expands. And when you spend 2 hours a day focused on building digital leverage instead of trading hours for dollars, your entire life starts to shift. That's when you realize the 2-hour workday isn't about laziness, it's about precision. Leverage is the secret ingredient nobody talks about. That's why it's what lets you build freedom faster without working harder. When you plug into a done-for-you system with digital products, automation, and mentorship, you multiply your output instantly. You're not starting from scratch, you're starting from structure. That's the difference between guessing and growing. And that's exactly what I show inside of the Freedom Formula Blueprint at sevenfiguremonk.com. How to use automation and leverage to create consistent, ethical online income that runs while you live your life. Pause this video and go grab it now, because if you don't, you'll end up watching someone else take the opportunity you are meant to claim. Let's get real. Everyone loves motivation until it requires movement. You can read all the books, watch all the videos, but until you act, nothing changes. The people who win in this digital era aren't always the smartest or most experienced. They're the ones who execute. They test, they learn, they adjust, they stay in motion. You can't steer a parked car, and you can't grow a business standing still. Start messy, start now, but start. See, for years, I waited for someone to tell me it was my turn. My boss, my friends, the universe. Then I realized, no one's coming to save you. The moment you stop waiting for permission is the moment your life changes forever. Freedom doesn't knock, it waits. It waits for you to open the door. Your future self that's living free already exists. You know what keeps most people stuck? It's not fear of failure. It's fear of success. Because success forces change. You have to change. When you start winning, your environment shifts. Some people won't understand you anymore. Some will criticize your growth. That's normal. You can't rise and stay surrounded by anchors. Protect your peace, guard your vision, and surround yourself with people who remind you who you are, not who you were. That's what our community does. Inside of the community, you're not alone. You're learning from real 6- and 7-figure income earners who show up daily with mentorship and support. That's how you build freedom with confidence, not confusion. Now, let me make this clear. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. Results aren't typical. They're based on effort. But here's the thing, so is staying broke. Everything worth having requires effort. So don't be typical. Be intentional. Be consistent. Be free. Let me redefine success for you. Success isn't working more. It's worrying less. It's waking up excited, not exhausted. It's having options, not obligations. It's knowing that it's knowing that what you build keeps working even when you rest. That's freedom. And once you taste it, you'll never go back. If you're ready to start thinking and building like a 7-figure earner, start today. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com right now. Grab your Freedom Formula Blueprint. It'll show you step-by-step how to launch your automated business. Follow the 2-hour workday and start earning daily with 100% profit products. Plug into the mentorship, follow the process, and build your future on purpose. Because you don't get what you wish for, you get what you build. And you can start building right now. You're not behind, you're right on time. The only thing missing is your decision. And when you finally make it, when you say, I'm done waiting, and take that first step, you'll realize freedom was never far away. It was always one click, one choice, one blueprint away. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com. Let's build your freedom together now.